Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook yellow rice. First, gather your essential ingredients: 1 package of yellow rice mix and water. For optimal results, aim for a 2-to-1 water-to-rice ratio. Ensure your rice cooker pot is clean and ready for use. This foundational step is crucial for achieving perfectly fluffy and flavorful yellow rice every time. We will walk through each stage, making it simple and straightforward for you to master this delicious side dish. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. For every 1 cup of yellow rice mix, you will need 2 cups of water. This precise ratio is key to achieving the ideal texture. To enhance the flavor and prevent sticking, consider adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter directly into the rice cooker pot. Gently stir all the ingredients together until they are well combined. This ensures even distribution of the seasoning and a consistent taste throughout your rice. With your ingredients mixed, it is time to begin the cooking process. Carefully place the inner pot back into your rice cooker and securely close the lid. Next, select the appropriate setting. Typically, the white rice or cook function works perfectly for yellow rice. The cooking cycle usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Allow the appliance to complete its full cycle without interruption to ensure the rice cooks thoroughly and evenly. Once the rice cooker signals completion, do not open the lid immediately. Instead, allow the yellow rice to rest undisturbed in the cooker for an additional 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in a more tender and fluffy texture. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork to separate the grains. Your perfectly cooked yellow rice is now ready to be served as a delightful accompaniment to any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.